Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A42, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. Firstly, open menu and find clock. Then choose alarm at the bottom left corner and tap on it. Click on the plus icon, and over here you can set up an hour. Then click on alarm sound and swipe left or right on the slider to change volume of your alarm, or turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it. You can also click on vibration and choose vibration pattern, or turn off vibrations completely by clicking on the switcher next to on. Now when I go back, I can also click on snooze and pick how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat, or turn it off completely by clicking on the switcher. Now when I go back, all I need to do is tap save at the bottom right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. If you want to turn it off completely, just tap on the switcher next to it. You can turn it on the same way. If you want to delete your alarm, hold it, choose delete, and as you can see, my alarm was deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!